Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this dress to impress mouse outfit. This is the non-VIP version. Unfortunately, you can't use the tail, but here's how you can do it. I'm just going to select the fur coat, and I'm just going to color it all the same color as I want, like the mouse or the rat color to be, I guess. Then you're going to do it on the first set. Then you're going to go to the code and you're going to use this one and you're going to color everything the same color. I'm just going to create like a white simple mouse for this one. Then you're going to want to grab this bow here and you're going to color it like a peach or like a pink. I'm also going to just turn off glitter for all of it. Go to codes and then select this and you're going to color that peach as well. And then I'm also going to use the like crown too, but the second toggle. And then I'm going to color that like the same like pink peachy color. If I did do that, okay. Now we are just going to go here. Then I'm going to use this one and I'm also going to color like this peachy pink color. Then I'm also going to select, let's see, where is it? Oh, this one, and I'm going to color it black for the eyes. Then we're going to select this like hood thing, and I'm going to color it white. And then I am going to use these gloves, and I'm going to again color it like the same peachy pink color. Select some like stockings here and color it the same color as your mouse. And for the shoes, I might do this or I might do that. It's up to you, like really what kind of shoes you want to wear. I'm gonna put the like bottom like this pinkish color actually, and then the rest white. And you'll just need a pose. So you're going to go to poses and you're going to do the puppet one from Halloween. And that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.